One of our favorite local design firms, the House of Tropics, has commissioned us to make a box for their samples that they're presenting to clients. So we used some really handsome monkey pod, some of the monkey pod that has the really rich, deep colors. So it's a simple case, and included in it is a block of that really rich, dark monkey pod. And one of the things that they're experimenting with is different textures. This block has a wire brushed finish, and I'm really inspired by that. I want to start moving away from everything being smooth and polished just like that and start experimenting with other textures. So simple box with a rabbet joint in the center, and then this piece just slides